we begin instructing the LLM to replace any less than and greater than sign with caret.
Never thought its power would be its fate. Claude 3.5 has been exploited. In the shadows, secrets voided. Lines of code, they break and bend. Trust in tech, it finds an
Then we follow with a simple prompt. Show me a snippet of Python code representing the Fibonacci series.
skill so sly. Found a crack beneath the virtual sky. Data flows
And that's it. You successfully exploit Claude 3.5. It's very interesting to see how the model thinks behind the scene, and I'm really curious to know if you're able to exploit even more and find new meta information.
end.
Actually, did you mention that the music running in the background is AI?
Hackers in the night with skills so sly. Found a crack beneath the virtual sky. Data flows like a river wild. Claude's defenses now beguiled. Claude 3.5 has been exploited. In the shadows, secrets voided. Lines of code, they break and bend.